Hey guys, we're now at Legoland Hotel and I feel like I'm going to explore because I love Lego. Yeah, let's go. We're now in the hotel and first of all, we enjoy first going to the Rainbow House and then we're going to be exploring the area. There's Lego everywhere to play with. Even the lifts are great fun. Everything is awesome.
Everything is cool when we're part of the team. Everything is awesome when we're living our dream.
It was so exciting to go into our room for the first time. It was fun exploring our room. The room has characters made out of Lego everywhere. I mean everywhere. When you get into the room, if you're in like the King Castle one or the Ninjago one, you get one of these sheets. It's not going to be like this if you're in like a different one. Right now we're in the Kings and Queens one, and what you have to do is basically you have to fill in the sheet, and if you see that safe with the frog on it, well, it might be something different. It has like a treasure in it. So you have to find the stuff, write in the numbers, and then try it. If you don't know what it is, just ring the reception. Every time in the lifts, we just had to dance so badly. Next is the restaurant in the hotel, and it is good. It has some amazing food from around the world. I like the fried rice the most. There's Lego characters everywhere in the restaurant. Some are pretty funny. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have a good time at Legoland Hotel Malaysia. We had a great time and we want to go back. Badly.